Hello my friends. As with any drawing, I start from the top and work down. So here I am starting at the top of Lightning McQueen's roof. I determine where his eyes will be on the windshield, keeping them more to the left of the drawing than the right side.
Lightning McQueen earned the reputation of a world racing champion, and thinking winning was everything. He was arrogant and obnoxious without regard to anyone else's feelings. However, after Lightning spent time in Radiator Springs, he learned what is really important in life, like true friends and his girlfriend Sally. He now values sharing his time and feelings with them and passing on his knowledge of racing to others.
Remember to take your time and concentrate on how the lines are drawn in each of the individual boxes, and how a box is in relation to the box where the line is coming from. You can always slow down the speed of the video, or pause it to see this better. However, I will provide the finished drawing, also grid line paper at the end to copy and use for your drawing.
A few Disney facts about Lightning McQueen. His racing number was originally going to be 57, as a reference to John Lasseter's birth year. John was credited with engineering the success of Pixar Animation Studios through a synthesis of cutting-edge computer animation with classic storytelling. However, the filmmakers decided to change Lightning's number to 95, which is the year that Toy Story, Pixar's first feature film, was released. Lightning McQueen is named after deceased Pixar supervising animator Glenn McQueen, and not, as some believe, after the deceased American actor Steve McQueen, who loved racing cars. Lightning originally did not think he needed headlights, because racers always race in lit stadiums. In Cars 1 his headlights were just decals because he didn't need them to race in the Piston Cup, but in Cars 2 he got actual headlights so that he can race in the dark. As time passed, Lightning McQueen took on more characterization and personality and was given a human name of Montgomery.
We hope that you enjoyed this short video. If not for learning how to draw, then for the enjoyment of remembering good times through Disney movies and cartoon creations. I will try to present in this manner unless I hear differently from my friends. As Walt Disney once said, adults are just kids grown up.